family, glad you guys are here. I'm in an extra energetic mood. I've got these super bright, colorful colors that I'm gonna quickly go over. So I hope everyone's having a happy holidays. I'm pretty sure this is going up before New Year's, but if not, it doesn't matter. Happy holidays, everybody. Okay, so I'm very organized, and I had some colors that I use very, very sparingly, and some old canvases. Some I've repainted over, some I haven't, but I'm doing repours. So I'm essentially kind of purging and get rid of my paints. I'm doing a huge new stock load of new paints this week. I'm getting some Amsterdam for the first time. I'm getting a few golden. I'm switching my Liquitex Basics lines to their fluid. Let me just quickly review. I have some transparent here by Pebeo, and when I say I wanted to get rid of some old paints I rarely use, I did, and I cleaned mine out. I cut it, and then I scrape it. You'd be surprised how much is left that you can't squeeze, so don't waste. This is transparent, and that is magenta. Now their magenta is different than Liquitex's magenta. And as you can see, there's more purple tones. It has more of a purple hue in this here. And I really love this shade over the Pebeo magenta. So, and I love these bottles, guys. These are the fluids. Some of you might know or seen other artists use them. They've been out for a while, but I'm just now getting to them. And I just love them, and they're perfect for my abstract painting because they're fluid and I don't got to add water as much as I do with my regular paints. Okay, so moving on, we have vermilion, and if you want a super rich, deep, energetic, bold, in-your-face orange, this will do it. It's transparent, okay? So using the transparent, like oftentimes you would layer that on top like a glaze for your paintings, mainly for your abstract painting. It's so confusing to differentiate the two because they're both abstract arts, just one's fluid, one's not. So when I say painting, I mean brushes, all that different stuff, not fluid tilting. Okay, and it's super rich. All my paints do have a mound on them for the most part. If I want a little bit more blending, which I do in between these colors here, they're slightly off. So I do make little adjustments like that. And then I have one of my favorites, Deep Yellow and Yellow Ochre by Artist Loft are my favorites. But again, I will be trying the other lines in these colors and rarely using Artist Loft, only for really my silver, which is my favorite. And I just put in a squirt of Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold because you guys know I need my shimmer and there is no metallics in here. And then I am using, this I probably had for 2 years because I don't use green. Light olive and probably a squirt of green yellow, okay? The green olive is a little bit, is more deep, and I actually love that color with these shades than this, but this has more of your pearly look to it because it's an iridescent, so somewhat of my metallic, I guess. And then I have my shades of blue purple, and I have Deep Violet by Liquitex. I have Payne's Gray by Pebeo. Love Payne's Gray. I'll be getting that in the fluid Liquitex line because I prefer their Payne's Gray over the Studio Acrylics. And then I have, which I love, this color purple. And I'm not a huge, you guys know, into like super bright colors. I usually like the soft, warm, earthy tones, the neutral metallics, the warm calm tones. It's mainly what I paint in. But I love playing with color once in a while. And it's a great way to have fun and purge them. And that's my dioxazine purple. gosh. Ooh, and I mean, straight pours are one of my favorite basic techniques to do. Ooh, no you don't, no you don't. Starting to leave me. I knew I poured way too much. I knew I had way too much for that. Wow. Ooh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. And those lines there. I'm just going to drag a couple of these fat pieces up. These wide ones, I should say. Oh, oh, this is so pretty. The layering was perfect. Okay, lucky I've got the Payne's gray in the center too, because I just had to take all that off. Ooh, where to go, where to go? There's so much paint. I want to kind of stretch this out to see what we have. These lines are amazing. I really don't want to get rid of them. So we're gonna have to, yeah, and that, I don't like that. That kind of got a little muddy-ish there. Flow. Oh my, that's gorgeous. I think it is. There we go. I like that. Okay, I really love the striations there. Love it. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Absolutely stunning. Look at those sides. Wow. Look. The cells. This is unreal. Wow. This is gorge. This is gorge. I love the design. This here, wait till you guys see the close-up. The depth. I mean, I was just trying to use the kind of rainbow gradient, but it's so much better layering them the way that I just felt that they look best together. I'm just going to make a few designs because I am going to get rid of a little bit more of that Payne's gray. And I don't want what comes back to be solid. Holy moly. Holy moly. Look at the beautiful depth. Look, when I hold the camera like that. Those absolutely look like they're protruding. And I've had these before using some of the Pebeo colors. I do find it does that with like pearl cells. I will link that video for you. Look how luminous and vibrant those colors are together. That vermilion, it's just unreal. And again, as I mentioned, with the red and the purple blue hue, stunning. I really love, and this started at the very beginning, as you guys could see, which usually happens in pearl pours. You start to see the edges first. And although this wasn't supposed to be for cells, once I started seeing them, I was like, oh yeah, I want this to sell right up. And those gorgeous little cherry cranberry cells are beautiful. And in contrast with those gorgeous kind of transparent, huge 3D ones you see there. And I did use alizarin. Sorry, not alizarin. What did I use? I threw the thing out now. Oh yeah, the magenta there, which was transparent, I believe. And one of the other colors, I can't remember now. I use so many. But anyways, look at the variations. And if you explore and experiment, guys, you'll notice that with cells or any other pour that you do, but especially with effects. And that's where you notice that by mixing brands and different paints, you will see a variety because they all react differently. And that's just proof and an example. And these look very different than my 1, 2, 3 Pro recipe. And I do find, like I said, that with the Pebeo, that happens. And at least with my consistency, it can vary. So if you try it and it doesn't happen, you've got to play around. But isn't this just beautiful? Yeah, I'm so surprised. Murphy's Law. Like, I really wanted something pretty, but at the same time, because I was trying to get rid of paints, I wasn't that worried about it. However, if this dries well and you don't get to see any of the markings in the background, I would love to seal this up. And look at these little stones. They almost look like diamonds. Okay, it almost looks like there's silver in the center there. And they only popped up in just a few areas down here. But this is awesome. This is really cool. And the pattern is beautiful. I mean, I lost my cave kind of look, but I've got this kind of furious. It looks like so many things. It's just beautiful. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely hit that like button if you're still here and you enjoyed the video and the adventure. I'm wishing you guys all a happy new year. I will see you soon. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. It really does help the video. I appreciate it. We're on our way to 20K. And I'm thinking about certain special giveaways for that 20K. So let's get there, guys. Start the new year off with a bang. And take care, stay safe. And I'll see you all in the next pour.